Did you know the Igbo people believe in many traditional signs and spiritual messages? Well, some of them may not be scientifically proven, but they guided daily life for generations. Here are some fascinating Igbo traditional beliefs. Reincarnation. When an elderly person dies, the Igbo believe that the soul may return and be reborn into the same family or a close relative's family, stepping with the left or the right leg. When someone starts a journey and hits the left leg on a stone or on the ground, it means a bad sign. But if it's the right leg, it means good luck. Okwama, vibrating eyelids. If your upper eyelid vibrates, it means you may soon see something beautiful. But if the lower eyelid vibrates, it means something will happen that will make you shed tears. Proper burial for elders. If an elderly person dies and is not given a proper burial rite, it's believed that the spirit will neither rest nor join the ancestors. Too much salt in food. If you accidentally added too much salt in the food, don't worry because it's traditionally believed that adding some salt into the fire will balance the taste. Looking between your legs in the market. Bending to look between your legs in the market is forbidden because Igbo people believe that you could see spirits among humans. All crying on the roof. If an owl or a spirit bird cries on someone's roof at night, it is seen as a sign of impending death for that family. An object in the eye. The Igbo people believe that if you're walking on the road and suddenly an ant or an object fall inside your eye, walking 4 steps backwards will remove that object instantly. These beliefs show how the Igbo understand life, nature, and the spirit world.